Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make onion mint chutney. Start by finely chopping 1 medium onion and 1 cup of fresh mint, then pulse with salt, chili, and lemon. Roast cumin and coriander lightly for a warmer flavor, then blend to a slightly coarse texture. Taste and adjust salt, spice, or acidity to preference, and chill briefly before serving to let flavors meld. In this video, I will show how to make onion mint chutney. Gather 1 medium onion, 1 cup fresh mint, 1 clove garlic, roasted cumin, lemon, salt, and optional green chili. Measure ingredients roughly and adjust to taste as you blend. Fresh mint is key for brightness, while roasted cumin adds depth. Keep some water handy to loosen the mixture and finish with a quick taste check before serving. In this video, I will show how to make onion mint chutney. Heat a skillet to toast cumin and coriander until fragrant, then grind them fine. Optionally, sauté onions briefly to mellow their bite or use raw for more pungency. Combine onion, mint, spices, lemon, and a little water in a blender and pulse to slightly coarse texture. Scrape down the sides and adjust seasoning, then transfer to a bowl and serve.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.